Welcome back, dear friends, in our today's lecture. Okay, in last day we saw some laws of chemical combinations. Okay, now in today's lecture we have to say whatever Gay-Lussac law of combining volume. What beta? Gay-Lussac law. Okay, Gay-Lussac law of what beta? Combining volume. So see here what it is, Gay-Lussac law of combining volume. So beta, this law gave, who gave beta? Gay-Lussac in 1808. When beta? In 1808. Who gave? Gay-Lussac. Okay. And what is the statement of this? So that beta statement also you have to write in your notebook. Okay. So say under similar conditions of what beta? Yes, temperature and pressure. Okay, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, whenever gases reacts, whenever gases are react together, comma, the volume of the reacting gases, what beta? Volume of the reacting gases, okay, volume of the reacting gases as well as what beta? Yes, as well as products, if gases then it bears what? A simple whole number ratio. It bears a simple whole number ratio. Okay. So under similar condition of temperature and pressure, whenever gases react together. So see here, suppose we will take example of what, as you know, hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen plus oxygen. Okay, that gives what? As you know, हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन मिळून काय मिळतं आपल्याला? वॉटर. ठीक आहे. सपोज देयर वॉल्यूम्स हियर 100 ml ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन हैज व्हाट वॉल्यूम 50 ml. सो कुल मिला के इधर वॉल्यूम कितना मिल रहा है? सपोज 100 ml. सो वॉट एवर रिएक्टिंग स्पेसिस, ओके, whatever the ratios of reacting species as well as the product, it bears what? Simple whole number ratio. So what it is, that ratio of that reacting species? Yes, 2:1. Understood? 2:1. So if we will consider the another examples also. So see here another example. Suppose if you are writing H2, that is hydrogen and chlorine, H2 plus Cl2, that gives what beta? 2HCl. Okay. And one more also we can example write, yes, N2 plus 3H2, that gives what? Yes, ammonia gases. Okay, these also what beta? Gases. Understood? So these are what your Gay-Lussac law of combining volume. Means under similar condition of temperature and pressure, when the gases react, the volume of the reacting species as well as the reactant, it bears what? Simple whole number ratio. Okay. So beta, you have to write this carefully in your notes. Okay. Now next we will discuss in our topic, that is some basic concept of chemistry. Okay. So next, pay attention beta, what it is? Our next Avogadro law. Okay. So see here, Avogadro law. So see here what will happen in Avogadro law. We have to, so beta, this value is given by Avogadro in 1811. In when beta? 1811. So see here what will happen. So you must know here whatever statement. Okay. So say here equal volumes. What beta? Equal volumes of all gases. Equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature. At the same temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure should contain what beta? Should contain equal number of molecules. Should contain what? Equal number of molecules. Okay. Equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain what? Equal number of molecules. So this Avogadro makes a distinction between what he makes a distinction between atoms and molecules, and at the present time it is what mostly accepted, whatever distinction between atoms and molecules what he gave. Okay. So see here before moving our next point, so next point is very much important बेटा, जो कि आपका जो पॉइंट है वो हर टॉपिक में यूज होने वाला है. ठीक है. सो सी हियर कॉटन, गिव कॉटन. से whatever our next important point. ठीक है. So pay attention बेटा. Important point. Say from our some basic concept of chemistry, that is mole concept. What beta? Say here mole concept. Okay. So see here in mole concept you must know what is a mole. Okay, and see here what is our this mole concept. This we have to use in each and every topic. Okay, 11 से लेके 12 तक. Understood? So pay attention carefully on this content of our mole concept part. ठीक है. Now in this mole concept, first you must know what is the mole. Okay, what is a mole? So beta you can write first definition of mole, and it is very much important. Okay, so see here mole. Okay. So see here mole is what? A mole is the amount of substance. Mole is what? It is the amount of substance. It is what beta? Amount of substance that contain as many species, that contains as many species, and that many species we can say what? Yes, very good. Atoms, molecules, ions. Okay, atoms, okay, molecules, ions. So in that, as you know, in that atom, okay, there is a nucleus, and in that nucleus what beta? Constituents of nucleus. Very good. Proton and neutron. And in atom outermost what they are revolving around the nucleus. Yes, very good. Electrons. So it is the amount of substance that contain as many species, that is atoms, molecules, ions. We can calculate with the help of that mole. Okay, atoms, molecules, ions, or other particles. Now in other particles what will come beta? Yes, your electron, protons, neutrons. These are what we can say here other particles. As there are atoms, okay, atoms in exactly 12 gram of what? Say 12. 12 gram of C12, that is carbon 12, or we can write in short 1 mole is equal to how much? Yes, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into what beta? 10 raised to 23 species. Okay beta, box करा या जे काही आपण is equal to 1 mole लिहिले त्याला. Understood? So it is very much important. Mole. Understood? I hope you understood. You got this. What is a mole? ठीक है? So before, so we will see in depth also whatever concept behind this. Surely we have to discuss that also, whatever moles and everything. Before that you must know what? Atomic mass, molar mass, whatever molecular mass. Okay, this thing also you must know. Okay, so we will move towards with the help of what beta? Atomic mass. So beta, you have to write our next point. Okay, basically this whatever mole, it is some student may be aware about this mole because in CBSE syllabus in 9th standard mole concept content they gave. Okay, take it. So some student might be aware about this of mole concept. Okay, so see here, now you got mole means what? 1 mole is equal to what? What beta? Yes, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 species. Okay, now we have to discuss, don't worry, whatever our this mole concept in detail. So before that you must know whatever atomic mass. Okay, so see here beta, atomic mass. So atomic mass means what? वो क्या होता है? So see here, we will discuss now. Atomic mass of an element can be defined as, see here, it can be defined as, so we can write first definition, the number which indicates okay, the number which indicates how many times okay, the mass of one atom of the element, okay, is heavier in comparison to what? In comparison to 1/12 of, or we can say 1/12 part of the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Okay, so beta, carefully you have to concentrate on this definition. Okay, the number which indicates how many times the mass of one atom of the element is heavier in comparison to 1/12 part of the mass of one atom of C12. Okay, so we will discuss now. It is very much easy, and from zero, बेटा अगदी 0 पासून मी तुम्हाला सांगतो what is a mole and what is a mole concept. So but your attention must be here. Okay, so I hope you wrote this definition clearly, no any doubt in that. Okay, atomic mass. So see here, suppose I want to write what? Suppose I want to write mass of, see here, beta say mass mass of one nitrogen atom. One nitrogen atom. So how I will write? So I will write 14 into what beta? 1/12 into mass of one C12 atom. Okay. Now these are what about nitrogen? So nitrogen atomic mass 14. Okay. Now suppose I will write here beta mass of one atom, one oxygen atom. काय आपण म्हणूया one oxygen atom. So how much beta? Yes, 16 into again same 1/12 into mass of one C12 atom. म्हणजेच काय, जर जेव्हा आपल्याला ॲटॉमिक मास फाइंड करायचं आहे तेव्हा ते आपल्याला कम्पेअर कुणासोबत करायचं आहे? वी हॅव टू कम्पेअर विथ दिस C12 carbon 12. Understood? So for that we want to rewrite again and again. ठीक आहे. Now suppose I will discuss here mass of one sodium atom. ठीक आहे. So how much beta? Yes beta, 23 into what? Again same 1/12 into mass of one C12 atom. ठीक आहे. ओके. सो आफ्टर दॅट व्हॉट विल हॅपन? बघा त्याच्यानंतर काय झालं हे मी तुम्हाला हिस्ट्री सांगतोय ॲटॉमिक मासची. सो बी केअरफुल. ठीक आहे. इट इज व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट दिस हिस्ट्री. सो सी हियर आता आपल्याला हे काय करायला लागतं? रिपीटेडली वी हॅव टू राईट दिस. ओके. सो ॲज यू नो मॉडर्न आपण काय आहोत? मॉडर्न आहोत. ठीक आहे. सो मॉडर्न लोक काय असतात? आळशी असतात. अंडरस्टूड? सो एवढं आपल्याला लिहिणं काय? अंडरस्टूड? सो सी हियर वी वॉन्ट सम शॉर्टकट. ओके. सो फॉर दॅट one shortcut also at that time used. So that shortcut we will see here. Okay. 1 AMU. काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला? 1 AMU. So 1 AMU means what? 1/12 into mass of one C12 atom. ठीक है. 1/12 into mass of one C12 atom. I hope you understood this thing. म्हणजे ह्यालाच आपण काय म्हटलं? 1 AMU. ठीक आहे. So whenever we are writing what? Whenever it's time to write, आता हे तुम्हाला समजलं 1 AMU म्हणजेच काय? 1/12 into mass of C12 atom. म्हणजे आपण त्याला काय केलं? शॉर्टकट त्याचं क्रिएट केला. ओके. Now how we will write the mass of one? आता मला सपोज लिहायचं असेल mass of one nitrogen atom. So how I will write? So see here mass of one nitrogen atom. So how I will write? Yes, 14 AMU. सीधा सीधा हम क्या लिखेंगे? 14 AMU. Or we can say what? AMU. Either you can write small, either you can write capital. AMU is what is the full form? Atomic mass unit. What beta? Atomic mass unit. I hope you understood this thing clearly. Okay. What it is? So as like this, suppose I want to write this mass of one oxygen atom. So इसको हटा के मैं अभी क्या लिख सकता हूँ? Yes, 14 into what? 16 AMU. क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ? So here also what? 23. ठीक है. So 23 I will write easily AMU because we found shortcuts AMU. I hope you understood this and you rewrite this clearly. Okay, it is very very much important. Before starting of mole concept, you must know these things. Okay. So see, this what our AMU. So now you got what beta? 1 AMU is equal to how much? That you got now. ठीक आहे. See here. हे सगळं आपलं कशामध्ये चाललंय? ॲटॉमिक मासमध्येच चाललंय. ओके. सो बेटा पे अटेन्शन. ॲटॉमिक मास. ठीक आहे. So see here one more remarkable statement. ठीक है. So see here beta, as you know 1 AMU is equal to what beta? Yes, 1/12 into what? Yes, 1/12 into what beta? Mass of, yes, mass of 1 C12 atom. 1/12 into what beta? Yes, mass of 1 C12 atom. ठीक है. So at that time what will happen? See here. त्याच्यानंतर काय केलं गेलं बघा. With the help of spectrophotometer, okay, we got a value of this mass of 1 C12 atom. So see here, and you will get like this 1 AMU. We got this much only, mass of 1 C12 atom. So how much? 1/12 into what? 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. ठीक है. So we can again solve 1 AMU is equal to what? Yes, 1.99 into 10 raised to 23 divided by what beta? Yes, 12. I hope you understood. So beta कुल मिला के after solving 1 AMU what you will get? How much you will get? Yes, 1 AMU you will get how much? 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे आता आपल्याला काय मिळाले? एक व्हॅल्यू मिळाले. आतापर्यंत आपण काय म्हणत होतो? 1 AMU. ऑक्सिजन आलं 16 AMU, नायट्रोजन 14 AMU. Now here we got a value of AMU. How much? 1.66 into 10 is 2 minus 24 gram. So now beta it is become what? Easy to calculate mass of one atom of nitrogen, mass of one atom of oxygen, mass of one atom of sodium and other element also. Okay, so see here how we can calculate this. Very much easy beta. Now see here, mass of one atom of oxygen. So how I will write here? Yes, very good. 16 into what? 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. After solving you will get what? Mass of one atom of oxygen. Okay, so as like this, see here. Okay, बघा आता mass of one atom of, yes, suppose नायट्रोजन मला पाहिजे तर मला काय लिहायला लागेल? Yes, 14 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. And for mass of one atom of what? Sodium, suppose. So as you know beta, yes, what beta? 23. Sodium atomic mass how much? 23. So 23 into what? Yes, 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. No doubt या ग्रॅमला तुम्ही kg मध्ये सुद्धा कन्वर्ट करू शकता easily. So I hope you understood this thing. ठीक है. So always keep in mind beta, what? Mass of in gram. So at that time what we call it as a? Yes, we call it as a gram atomic mass. So that also we are going to discuss. ठीक है. Now see here, this we discuss regarding our atomic mass. ठीक आहे. सो आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग. म्हणजे आपण पहिल्यांदा काय होतं आपल्याकडे Yes, what? 1 AMU. After we discovered 1 AMU, before that what? 1/12 into mass of 1 C12 atom. मग त्याला आपण शॉर्ट केलं what? AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Then after that we discovered the value of this, how much? 1.99 to 10 to minus 23 gram. So after solving you will get actual value of this. ठीक है? I hope you understood this thing clearly. So beta, now here we will discuss about molar mass. These are what we discuss, atomic mass. Now see the what? Yes, molar mass. ठीक है? In this our topic म्हणजे बेटा some basic concept of chemistry मध्येच हा आपला मोल concept हा एक सब content आहे, but it is widely used in all the topics of chemistry. So that's why it is very much important. ठीक है? See here, pay attention beta. Molar mass. So ready with this? Molar mass. So see here, molar mass is what? Molar mass, so first we will write a definition. It is the mass of, it is a mass of 1 mole of substance in grams. ठीक है? Now suppose we have to calculate molar mass of oxygen atom. Suppose आपल्याला इथे काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं बेटा? येस, मोलार मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम. ठीक है? सिंगल ऑक्सीजन एटम है तो. सो हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट? येस, वी कैन कैलकुलेट मास ऑफ 1 mole of oxygen atom. Means beta, molar mass of oxygen atom is equal to what? Mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. Keep in mind this, mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. ठीक है? And beta, this thing you know, 1 mole of oxygen atom is what? Directly related with Na, and this Na is what we are call it as a Avogadro's number, and that Avogadro's number is what beta? Yes, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. ठीक है? Simply आपण Na सुद्धा लिहितो in short, or we can write 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 species. ठीक है? Means we have this Na is what your Avogadro number. So see, whenever you have to calculate molar mass of oxygen atom in gram, okay, is equal to what? Mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. But 1 mole of oxygen atom related with what? Avogadro number. Mole word ala manje relation with Avogadro numbers. Keep in mind. That's why in the first lecture, whatever in the now only what I discussed, 1 mole is equal to what? 6.022 into 10 to 23 species. ठीक है? That is Na. Avogadro number Na. A आणि त्याचे कॅपिटल एन आणि त्याच्या बेसला काय कॅपिटल ए. जर का स्मॉल ए लिहिलं तर काय होईल? तो सोडियम होईल. कॅपिटल एच लिहायचं आहे. ठीक आहे? लाईक दिस. I hope you understood this thing clearly. So see here beta. So for that we need mass of 1 atom of oxygen, ठीक है, into what? Na. Understood? यालाच आपण डिवाइड कशामध्ये केलंय? मास ऑफ 1 atom of oxygen into what? Na. So beta, mass of 1 atom of oxygen we know what? Yes, very good. 16 AMU. Now only we discuss mass of 1 atom of oxygen, 16 AMU. ठीक है? Into what beta? Yes, into Na. ठीक है? but you already discussed what, say I will write here what we discuss. Okay, we discuss beta, as you know, see here, as you know beta, 1 AMU आपल्याला माहिती आहे 1 AMU is equal to what? Yes, 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, and this is what nearly equal to 1 upon Na gram. म्हणजेच जेव्हा तुम्ही 1 divided by Na म्हणजेच काय 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 कराल तेव्हा तुम्हाला हे आन्सर येईल. Understood? So simply I will write, instead of 1 AMU I will write like this, 16 what beta, 1 by Na gram into what? Na. So beta what will happen? Na से Na cancel. So what we will get? Molar mass of oxygen atom in gram is how much? 16 gram. Okay. Understood? I hope you understood this thing clearly. This calculation is very much important. हे काय तुम्हाला प्रत्येक वेळेला करायचं नाही, फक्त कन्सेप्ट समजून घ्या की कसं आपण AMU 16 AMU चे कन्वर्जन कसं ग्रॅम मध्ये करतो. ओके, प्रत्येक वेळेला हे करायची गरज नाही आहे, बट दिस कन्सेप्ट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट. ठीक आहे. सो सी हियर नाउ वी विल डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन मास ऑफ वन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ठीक आहे. एंड व्हाट बेटा? मोलार mass of oxygen atom. So see here, suppose here what beta? Your oxygen. So I will rewrite like this. Suppose this what? Your oxygen. So beta this what? Suppose I will write here this what beta? हे तुमचं ऑक्सिजन आहे हा, ऑक्सिजन. So 16 AMU. Suppose मी काय लिहिलं 16 AMU. So beta this 16 AMU is what? Mass of one oxygen atom. This what beta? Mass of one oxygen atom. Okay. Now these are what? Here. Suppose I will write in gram. 16 gram. So what we called? Yes, beta. Very good. Molar mass of oxygen atom. And this molar mass of oxygen atom we call it as a what? Gram atomic mass. ह्यात 16 ग्रॅम ऑफ जे काही आहे मोलार मास त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? ग्रॅम ॲटॉमिक मास. ठीक आहे. सो आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस ऑल क्लिअरली. सो बेटा यू हॅव टू राईट दिस. इट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट. इट इज अ बेसिक्स. Okay, that's why it belongs to our first topic, that is some basic concept of chemistry. Understood? So see here, after this molar mass, now you understood what is a GAM, gram atomic mass. 16 gram molar mass of oxygen atom, and what? Mass of one oxygen atom in AMU always, and molar mass of oxygen atom, that what we call it as a GAM, that is gram atomic mass. Okay. So now we will discuss beta molecular mass. हे आता आपण मोलार मास बघितला, आता मॉलिक्युलर मास हे काय आहे ते बघूया आपण. ठीक आहे. आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस कंटेंट क्लिअरली. ठीक आहे. सो सी हियर what will be molecular mass now. So I hope you are paying attention. Molecular mass. So see here, molecular mass. In this molecular mass beta, we will discuss definition first. It is sum of, it is the sum of atomic masses of what? All the elements present in a molecules. present in a molecule. ठीक है. So I think you already also studied about molecular mass, molar mass, but here we discussed in depth of that. ठीक है. I hope you understood this thing clearly. So as you know beta, whatever your water, yes, water molecular mass how much? Very good, 18. ठीक है. Suppose nitric acid HNO3, yes. ठीक है. So see here, molecular mass. So see here, beta, if you are taking example of our water, H2O. See, H2 as you know, oxygen 16 and is 2 hydrogen of 2. Okay, एका हायड्रोजन चे एक आणि दोन हायड्रोजन चे दोन. Therefore 16 plus 2 18. ठीक है. Now when we are writing as like this, see 18 AMU, ठीक है, आणि जेव्हा आपण लिहितो काय 18 ग्रॅम. Now what will be the difference between 18 AMU and 18 gram? So see carefully, 18 AMU is what? Mass of, yes, mass of one molecule. Mass of what beta? One molecule of H2O. ठीक है. And 18 gram is what? Molecular mass. Okay, what beta? Molecular mass of H2O. ठीक है. And this molecular mass of H2O we call it as a what beta? Yes, see here, GMM, gram molecular mass. What beta? Gram molecular मास. कारण की हा एका मॉलिक्यूलचा मास आहे. H2O मॉलिक्यूल. आणि मगाशी आपण काय घेतलं, एका ऑक्सिजनचं मास. देअरफॉर ॲटम, ऑक्सिजन इज व्हॉट, सिंगल ॲटम होतं त्यावेळेला आपण काय म्हटलं, ग्रॅम ॲटॉमिक मास. हिअर व्हॉट बेटा, ग्रॅम मॉलिक्युलर मास, बिकॉज हे मॉलिक्युलचं आहे. आणि अगोदर जे आता आपण बघितलं ते काय होतं, ॲटम्स होतं. त्याच्यामुळे काय ग्रॅम ॲटॉमिक मास, दॅट इज GAM. आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग क्लियरली. ठीक है. नाउ सपोज हम बात करें से H2SO4 की. ओके, बघा आपण जर का H2SO4चं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर H2SO4 सपोज आपण काय लिहिलं इथे 98, त्याचा टोटल मास किती आहे 98. ठीक आहे. सो 98 AMU आपण लिहिलं आणि इथे काय लिहिलं 98 ग्रॅम लिहिलं. तर आपण कसं डिफरन्शिएट करणार, सेम, it is what, mass of one molecule of H2SO4. Okay, so beta I will write like this here. This what beta? Yes, mass of one molecule of H2SO4 and is what? Yes, very good. Molecular mass of H2SO4, that is we call it as a GMM, gram molecular mass. So beta I hope you understood this thing clearly. Okay, mass of one molecule of H2SO4 and molar molecular mass of H2SO4. Okay, so beta this what our today's content, very much important content, that is atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass, molar mass, molecular mass. So we will take here one example. Okay, so we will mention here one example. In that we will cover all whatever GMM, GAM. Okay, so see here beta. Suppose I will write here one question as like this. Question beta. ठीक है. What is the mass of what is the mass of one atom of 1 atom of chlorine. ठीक आहे. सपोज आपण ह्याला काय म्हणूया, स्मॉल a, स्मॉल b. what is the gram, what is the gram atomic mass of what beta, chlorine. And small c we will say what is the atomic mass of chlorine. Okay, so see here we have to answer these of all questions, so see carefully. ठीक आहे, बघा how we can write the answers of small a. So beta, as we discuss now, what is the mass of one atom of Cl. जिथे one atom of आलं तिथे आपण काय म्हणणार. Yes, very good. As you know, the Cl how much, 35.5. so 35.5 आता आपण इथे directly लिहू शकतो because we did calculation part of that. ठीक आहे. small b is what is the gram atomic mass. so gram मध्ये आता आपल्याला लिहायला लागेल, that is 35.5 gram. and what is the atomic mass. simply जेव्हा atomic mass आपण लिहितो तेव्हा किती लिहितो. yes, only 35.5. ठीक आहे. I hope you understood this thing clearly without any issues. ठीक है बेटा, understood. Or we can mention atomic mass of chlorine जेव्हा आपल्याला लिहायचं असतं. ठीक आहे. so at that time we can use one formula, that is mass of atom in AMU. so see here for C we can elaborate this. what beta, yes, atomic mass. suppose I have to write atomic mass. हे तर आपण clearly बघितलं without calculation, sorry, with calculation. okay, how we can mass of one atom, how they discovered, how the values, okay, everything. so atomic mass of what beta, Cl is equal to, you can write the formula, mass of atom. see here, mass of atom in what beta, mass of atom in AMU divided by what, 1 AMU. ठीक है. so as you know, at mass of atom in AMU how much beta, for Cl, for your chlorine how much, 35.5 AMU. now divided by what, 1 AMU. so this AMU से AMU cancel हुआ. now they what you will get, yes, only 35.5. therefore you will get such type of answer. ठीक है. so I hope you understood clearly these all concept of atomic mass, molar mass, molecular mass, what is the gram atomic mass, that is gm, what is the gram molecular mass, everything you understood clearly. so whatever, if you are facing any doubts, that we will discuss during our doubt session. okay, chemistry doubt session. so thank you very much, take care and stay safe.